Got a fucking blown tire. You're good?
Why does this always happen to us? All the damn time.
Right, why couldn't it be fucking easy, dude?
Nothing's ever easy.
We almost made it. Fuck.
I was like, yeah, I see the split coming up.
Yeah, dude.
I was hyped.
It's wild the fact that my old 240 broke down at that exact same place. And the same shit fucking happened. Well, not a 240, but something happened.
Yeah.
Bro, this crap always happens to us. I feel like every time we tow a car, we get a fucking problem.
Right.
Every time.
Shit just got a U-Haul.
Low key, dude.
I can't see what's happening over here, so.
Yeah, well.
Or just pull it out. We'll just pull
Yeah, they're good. Just go for it. I'll reverse it in. Professional? What'd you say, Zab? Professional?
You good at fucking? No, it's not what I heard. No, I'm just kidding.
What? All right. Third time's the charm, I guess, right? Fuck. Could you do better?
Oh, yeah.
Watch him just leave. I could do better, watch.
Scoot up. Ooh, you're good. You're good. Oh man, just keep going. You're good. Like, oh, oh my gosh. Ooh, sounded rough.
Nothing, you just fell off this thing?
That block got cut into the wheel.
Bro, that sounded like my whole front end got ripped off, and your face didn't help. You're like, God damn. All right, well, it's back at the storage unit. Pretty much, I gotta take apart the whole engine again. What happened was, I think there was like an oil leak somewhere, and pretty much it was low on oil. I was flooring it, and pretty much I spun a bearing. So it's back here. What I'm gonna do is just, I guess, start taking the engine out, and then I'm just gonna take my time putting it back together. I got a daily now, so this isn't my only car anymore. So I could take my time, make it look nice, be a little bit more meticulous on this. So. Hell no. But yeah, it's back in here, so shit. I guess for next time, I'll take you along on building it again.